Hey guys, it's me, Chris. For this video, I'm at Ikea. Man, it's been a while since I went to Ikea. And I believe this was, say it again. I believe this is my first time going to Ikea during the Covid-19 pandemic. Man, I did went here before the pandemic. Maybe it was like around February or something, right? I don't know. It's been a while, guys. That time we weren't wearing masks that time. Well, around March, that's when we started to wear masks. But man, first time going to Ikea, guys, during the pandemic. See what's happening. We're all wearing masks. Oh boy. Yep, I'm wearing my mask too, guys. Yep, like always. And all these flakes are like salt to get rid of the ice. 6 feet apart. Yep. Oh boy. I'm gonna go check out that cafeteria, guys, over there. I remember it was up there, so I'm gonna go there. Yeah, 6 feet apart here. Yeah, 6 feet apart. Wow. That there's clothes. It's like a playground or something. Oh, check out the cafeteria. Haven't ate, guys, so I might buy something here while doing errands, you know. You know. Oh, what? You gotta be kidding me. Really? Man, you gotta be kidding me. So I guess it's closed, guys. I'll just eat at the mall anyways. Wow. This is Ikea during the weekend. Hey, yeah, today is Saturday, by the way. Wow. Okay, this is quite different here. Oh boy. I need to find the curtains that my mom wanted. But it's too crowded here. Oh man. Yep, I'm still going out, guys, during the pandemic. Yep, that's me. As long as you, like, you know, follow those procedures, protocols. Alright, 6 feet apart, wash your hands often, this and that. So I'm doing those things, so I should be fine, guys. But all I have to say is just be careful. Yeah, it never changed a bit. I guess they made it a little bit wider. Or, I don't know. Can't really tell if it's the same or not. Hard to say.